Hi guys! Holiday ngayon, so wala akong pasok. Hello! So may meeting ako mamaya. Yung meeting ko mamaya is for the NUSG. Okay, friend. So guys, haramin ko lang tong laptop. Lux Organic, this is the table. Start na kami guys. Hi guys! Hey besties! Good morning! So today is August 30. It is a Monday. Holiday ngayon, so wala akong pasok. Wala akong pasok, pero I have a meeting later at 3 p.m. Right now, it is currently 11:30. Guys, I decided na lang to vlog sa phone. Kasi pansin ko, malalabo yung clips na nakukuha ko sa GoPro. So, itong phone na lang yung gagamitin ko palagi. Nanonood lang ako ng vlogs. Ayan, nakapag-breakfast na din ako.
Madami nang niluluto mo.
Adobo. So guys, kakatas ko lang mag half bath, diba? Tingin ako sa messenger ko, ng mga spam, ganyan. Tapos nakita ko, kasali ako sa isang GC. Wala akong kaalam-alam. Yun ko lang nalaman. It's an org sa school. Oh my God. So may meeting ako mamaya. Yung meeting ko mamaya is for the NUSG. Itong nakita kong GC ng org. Nag-apply ako pero hindi ko alam na ganon, na may GC pala. Okay guys, so yun lang, share ko lang naman. Hello! I'm back. Ayusin ko lang yung mukhang to. Kasi nga, meron tayong meeting mamaya. Para lang magmukha tayong, alam mo yun, magmukha tayong human being or whatever. Kung napapansin nyo na palagi akong naka-lip tint or ano, I feel confident kapag may kulay ang bibig ko. One of my biggest insecurity is yung natural color ng lips ko. Maputla talaga guys. As in maputla talaga. Para kung hindi pa kumakain or kulang sa tulog levels. Ganon, kaputla. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-ayos dati. Tinatry ko na matuto mag-makeup, ganyan. Pero nahihirapan talaga ako kasi una, wala akong masyadong makeup. Pangalawa, yung makeup na meron ako, parang hindi siya kumakapit sa hindi siya nag-work sa mukha. So, hindi talaga ako marunong. Until nag-senior high school ako, doon ako nag-start na mag-ayos ng lip tint. Hindi yung konting lip tint lang. Talagang lip tint. Ganon. At saka yung cheek tint. Ganyan. I feel happy kapag nakikita ko yung sarili kong, ay, mukhang tao. Ganon. Okay, friend. So magti 3 o'clock na. Mag-get ready na tayo sa ating meeting. So guys, haramin ko lang tong laptop. So guys, sa Zoom ang meeting. So right now, inaayos ko lang to. Sana hindi ako malate. Oh my gosh. Naka-mirrored ba sa Zoom? Oh my God.
One week later.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is September 7. It is Tuesday. Tuesday. Katapos ko lang maligo, mag-half bath. I'm using Relax Organic Nail Soothing Gel. So, yung nasa tub na yung ginagamit ko. So, I have been trying to vlog for the past few days. Hindi ko alam, pero I don't feel doing it. It's been a few days since my lolo passed away. We're still in the process of grieving. Hindi ko kaya ma-handle yung ganon. Right. Habang nag-vlog kasi nag-school din ako. Like, start na ng online class ko, and then assignments over activities. So, medyo sunod-sunod yung sunod-sunod yung mga gawain sa school. So, gusto ko man siyang i-vlog, kaso at that time, I don't have the energy to do it. I am doing well naman when it comes to passing assignments and activities. Hindi pa naman ako nakakamiss ng assignment. Wag naman, diba? Yeah, basta ang dami nangyayari for the past few days, and you have to slow down, and yun lang naman. So, update pala dito sa kwarto. In-arrange namin ulit yung mga gamit. Here's my bed. Dito na ako sa may window. Here's the mirror. So, this is the table. Gagawa ako ng assignment mamaya. And video yun. Later, guys, I'll be doing 4 assignments. Nagawa ko naman na yung dalawa, but kailangan ko siyang i-video. And then yung the next na dalawa is paperwork. So, magwawalis muna ako dito sa stairs kasi medyo maalikabok. So I'll try to vlog it. What are the 2 barriers you have experienced, and how did you effectively address each one of them?
2 hours later.
Yun. Second, I have to fix the ref because dumating na yung mga tapos pare-pare sila ng drawer. Ayun, dumating na rin lahat. So, complete.
Bukas pala, guys. Hindi ko alam kung mag-video ko, pero bukas kasali ako sa Quiz Bee. Idudugtong ko na lang yan dito. But, yan, I'm so happy and thankful na kahit super rough days yung nakalipas, hindi ako nabe-behind sa pagpasa ng like requirements and stuffs and assignments and all. So thankful na hindi ako nagka-cram. So it is going to be my 3rd week of classes. 23 kami nag-start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we are on the 2nd week, or going to 3rd week.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. So today is August 8th. It is a Wednesday. Currently 8 a.m. I don't have classes today, but I am joining a Quiz Bee. So for Philippine history, and I'm waiting for the time. Start na kami, guys, ng Kahoot. Hi guys, so natapos na yung quiz B ko kanina. Hindi ako nakapasok sa top 3 pero nasa top 4 naman. In fairness naman. Now naman, meron naman tayong orientation for our program. So, ayan. Tatapusin ko muna to. And then, I'll update you again. Laktaw-laktaw na tong vlog ko pero okay lang. So my childhood nickname, I have a lot of nicknames, but the one that I still use right now is Ching. Thank you po.
The next day.
Hi guys! Punta ako sa dentist ko. Update ko kayo kapag nandun na kami sa clinic.